All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. I'd like to give a shout out to Ryan and Grant and Will. Play me a little ditty here, Ryan.
I literally
just come on, Ryan.
Today.
We're live. Excellent. All right, I'm excited for this. I think you guys should take part in this, but you're making popcorn. We need to come up with word problems that describe these scenarios, okay? So for number one, I'm going to say we're talking about making bags of popcorn. And we can make 3 bags of unsalted popcorn and 4 bags of caramel corn, and it will take us 23 minutes. However, if we made 5 bags of unsalted popcorn and 3 bags of caramel corn, it would take us 31 minutes. How much does it take us to make each bag of caramel corn and unsalted popcorn? I'm going to solve that one. You guys are going to get ready to come up with a description for the next word problem. So, number 1. 3x plus 4y equals 23. 5x plus 3y equals 31. Ryan, would you bust this out using elimination or substitution? What's your preferred method? Ryan prefers substitution. I think these are going to be some nasty decimals and fractions. So I think for this specific one, we're going to use elimination. This is a hard elimination one because we got to multiply both of them. Okay? Ryan, talk to me about what you would multiply these by so that we could use elimination. He's going to multiply the top one by 5. I'm down with that. Let's go ahead and do that. It gives us 15x plus 20y equals 23 times 5 divided by 2 and add a 0. Divide it by 2 and add a 0. My favorite way to multiply big numbers by 5. Okay? You're multiplying by 0.5 and multiplying by 10. That's a dad trick right there. Okay? All right. Now, Ryan, what would you multiply the second one by? Ryan said 3, and that's a great idea. That is a great idea. That gives you 15x. Ah, now I see why you said 3, Ryan. 15x. Let's get rid of that weird-looking x that just got created. It looks like a death monster. Okay? Plus 9y. Okay? Plus 9y equals 93. Now we can subtract it. 15x minus 15x is? She gone. Okay, it is 0x. Carson hates putting the 0, by the way. 20 minus 9? 11y. 115 minus 93? 22. I like it when the numbers work out like that. Divide each side by 11. Y equals 2. So that was, what was that? That was caramel corn. So we can bag up caramel corn in 2 minutes. Okay? How do we find out how long it took us to make the unsalted bag? Plug it in, plug it in. 3x plus 4 times what, Carson? 2 is 23. 3x plus 8 is 23. Subtract 8. 3x equals 15.
Divide by 3, and x equals 5.
X equals 5. X equals 5. Okay, so now explain what it means. It takes 5 minutes to do an unsalted bag, but we could do a caramel corn bag in 2 minutes. Maybe we're just buying those bags out of the vending machine, because I don't really know how we would make caramel corn in here. All right, who's got the next scenario for me? Let me pause it and clear it. All right, Will's going for number 2. Talk to me about your scenario, Will.
Okay, 2 math students and 3 science students get 14 assignments done.
Okay, 2 math students and 3 science students get 14 assignments done.
And 4 math students and 6 science students get 28 assignments.
4 math students and 6 science students get 28 assignments done. We're looking for?
How many assignments each?
Yes. How many assignments does each student in a math or science do? I'm down, okay? Let me rewrite it. Oh, this is going to be an interesting one. Okay, I see where I'm going on this one. Let's multiply the top equation by 2. Oh, don't you do that. I'm going to multiply that one by 2. I tried to change to purple there. And what you get is 4x plus 6y equals 28.
Oh. Hey, they look the exact same.
When you subtract them, you get 0 equals 0. Is that true? So that means that there are infinitely many solutions to this problem because these are the exact same line. So we cannot determine how many math problems and science problems each get done because there's too many possibilities. Okay? That was a weird one, but math gets weird sometimes. Let me pause and Ryan's going to take us through number 3. Go ahead, Ryan.
3 pairs of headphones and 2 keyboards.
I love it.
$20.
3 pairs of wireless headphones and 2 keyboards are on sale at Ryan's garage sale for $20.
Good deal.
Okay, well what else is going on at your garage sale, Ryan? You can also, in a separate deal, excuse me, you can get 9 pairs of wireless headphones. And 6 wireless keyboards, and that's only going to run you $35. Okay? Now, what I was wondering, Ryan, was
Well, how much does each one cost?
how much does each pair of headphones cost? What are we going to multiply the top by? We're going to, oh, why is that happening? We're going to multiply the top by 3. That's going to give us, get out of the way, 9x. Uh-oh. Plus 6y equals, oh no, we have a problem, Houston. Now, I'm going to explain this problem, but what you're going to get when you subtract these is that 0 equals negative 25. What? That's not true. So here's the problem, Ryan. At your garage sale, there's no consistency to your costs. If you can get this for 20, then there's no way you should be able to get that for 35. And what that means is that there are no solutions to this problem. This is an impossible circumstance. Unfortunately, your garage sale is impossible. Yes, Will. The garage sale does exist in an alternate dimension. All right, we're going to break this recording for some live breaking popcorn news. Check this out. Check it out.
You might not want to do that. That's why I
That's popping popcorn right there. Popping popcorn. All right, Grant, you got number 4?
Apples and bananas.
Oh, I love apples and bananas, and I personally don't understand why we can't compare apples and oranges. I think we should be able to compare them. They're both fruits. But continue.
So there's, we're doing this one.
We're on number 4, G.
So we have 4 apples,
You can get 4 apples,
and we have 2 bananas,
and you can get 2 bananas,
and that will equal 8
and
whole fruits.
that's costing you $8. So we must be buying these at like one of these ghetto gas stations that are like forced to sell produce, and they sell a banana for like $1. And they wonder why no one in the ghetto buys a banana, and it's like, well, because it's $1. It's way too expensive. Continue.
So we have 5 apples,
5 apples
and we have 3 bananas,
and 3 bananas,
and that will equal $9.
and they only cost you $9. This isn't adding up to me either. Let's see what we're going to do on this one. All right, Carson, back to you.
Okay.
We're going to have to multiply the top and the bottom both on this one, I think, right?
What?
Let's do 5.
So you're going to do 5 times the first one. And that's 20x
What?
plus 10y equals 40. Okay?
Bottom one, I'm going to do 4.
It's going to multiply the bottom one by 4. And that's going to give you...
20x.
Oh, now I understand why you multiplied them by 5 and 4. Plus
Plus 12.
12y equals 36. Oh, now I think I'm understanding this better. We are going to get a solution here, and it's going to be negative, which means the bananas, they're paying you to take the bananas. So I'm going to get as many bananas as I can. Okay? Subtract them. What do you get, Carson? What's 20x minus 20x?
Zippo.
She gone. 10 minus 12? Negative 2y equals
4.
4. Divide each side by negative 2.
And you get y equals -2.
So, bananas cost negative $2, and if you interpret it in terms of economics, I think it was bananas, okay? If you interpret that in terms of economics, that means that they are paying you $2 for each banana, which is a great deal.
Yeah.
How do I find the other one? I plug negative 2 in for y, so I'll just say 20x plus 10 times negative 2 is 40. 20x minus 20 is 40. Add 20 to each side. 20x is 60. Divide each side by 20. So $3 for an apple. Negative $2 for a banana.
I think I'd take some bananas and then...
Incredible. All right, we'll speed up now. Standby's a notebook, 3 packages of pencils, and 2 markers. Oh my gosh. N plus 3P plus 2M.
Yes, we got 3 variables.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got 3 variables. Jan buys 2 notebooks, 6 pencils, and 5 markers. Jeez. And they cost $15.50.
Jeez, that must be one at such a store.
Fran buys 1 notebook, 2 pencils, and 2 markers, and those cost $6.25. Oh, we got 3 variables and 3. Oh.
Yeah, well, we're going to be doing...
Let's pause and think.
So here's what I'm thinking. I think I want to multiply this one by 2.
Okay.
That would get 36x. That cancels there.
Then we got 2, 6.
And then I have to multiply that,
That one by 2. So then we can get rid of the ends.
Or the... Yeah. Now, actually, if we did that one...
Then let's see. Hold on.
Yeah, multiply the each one by 2 and then... Yeah, I think that would be easier a little bit. Get rid of one variable at a time, right? No,
Who's playing that? Hey, Ben, whoever that is, Ryan. Not so loud, okay?